Hello, is this Kwa? Kwa? Oh yes,
Hello,
it's
teacher.
Kwa. Good evening, Kwa, and welcome again to our class for today. So how are you? How are you today?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay, that's very good. And did you already eat your dinner for this day?
Yeah.
Hmm,
Yes.
what did you eat for dinner?
I eat chicken.
Chicken. Wow, that's very delicious. Okay. So, now are you ready to start our new lesson for today?
Yes.
Okay, so can you please read what is our lesson all about?
Traveling.
Okay, one more time. I say traveling.
Traveling.
Traveling. Do you know what traveling is?
Traveling is go go to travel.
Go to travel or going to.
Mm,
What do we do when we travel? Going to other places. So when we say travel, we go to other places. We go from one place to another. So that is traveling. Okay, so now let's take a look at our lesson objectives. So as usual, we have vocabulary, we have phrases, reading, and discussion. Okay, so now let's start our lesson. Let's start with vocabulary. So again, can you read the our first word?
travel
Travel. Again, Kwa, what do we mean by travel?
is going to an other place.
Okay, very good. So going to other places. So can you read the sentence that we have here? I am.
I am very busy with my work, but I travel very often.
Okay, one more time. Let's say often, not often. Often.
Often.
Okay, very good. So often. So when we say travel again, so it is going from one place to another, like this one. So this person is very busy with his or her work, but still he travels very often. So he still makes time to travel. So how about you, Jang? Have you ever traveled to another city or country?
Yeah.
Have- yes. Where did you go?
Mm, I go to
What place?
many city in Vietnam.
What kind of place? What is your favorite place from those
Is
places that you
is
have?
the beach.
Oh, I go to the
Beach
beach. What city is the beach? Is it in your
is
hometown?
Bay.
It's on your hometown? In your hometown?
No, is in Hạ Long Bay.
Honbai? How do you spell that? This one?
Is HALONG.
And this one? Is this correct? Oh, are you still there? Your
No,
your video
H
is
A L O N G
G. Okay.
LONG.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So there is a beach there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you can say I go to Halong Bay's beach. So that is, do you like to travel? Do you like to travel?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So make sure to
Yes.
answer in a complete sentence. Don't just answer in yes or by yes or no. So you can say if the question is, do you like to travel? So you can say, yes, I like to travel. So practice answering in complete sentence. That don't just say yes or no. Okay, okay. So yes, I like to travel
Yeah.
to make your sentence complete or to make your answer complete so that you can be able to practice your speaking skills. Okay. Next, number two. What is our second word?
Yeah.
Hello? I think you're logging.
Is
It's what's our second
tourist.
tourist? One more time. Let's say
Is
tourist.
tourist.
Okay. So
Tourist.
when we say tourist, what is tourist for you?
Yes.
Yes. What is tourist? What is tourist or what do we mean by
Is
tourists?
the post is a people go another place we call it tourist.
Okay, very good. So these are people who goes to another place. So they visit other places. So this is tourists, especially those people who travel to different countries. They are called as tourists. Okay.
Yes.
So, wow, if you were a tourist, what place would you like to visit? If you were a tourist, what place would you like to visit? Or what country would you like to visit?
I like visit um China or England
China or England? Is that correct? Hello? I think your internet connection is somehow, or you are having a difficulty with your signal because your video keeps stopping and your voice is also stopping. Are you still
is
there?
Flickr.
Yeah, it's flickering.
Your screen I can't see.
Oh, you cannot see me, but I can see you, but your video is stopping.
I cannot see your screen.
Hmm?
It's so lag.
Yeah, I think it's your signal because mine is okay right now. My signal is okay. There
Let me
is
check.
okay, sure, sure.
Let me check my internet.
Okay, sure. Go ahead.
Okay, teacher.
It's okay now.
My my house has two internet
You connected it.
I choose the
The
with
other.
kids internet.
That's why. Okay. So I think it's okay now because your video is not stopping. Okay, again,
Yes.
if you were a tourist, what place would you like to visit?
I like to visit China and England
Okay, very good. I like to visit China and England. And why? Why do you want to visit China?
because China I want to study in a university in China.
Okay, how about for England? Do you also want to study?
And when I am rich, I will go to England to live.
Oh, you want to live in England?
Yes,
Oh, okay. So when you become rich, you will live in England. Wow. That's a very, very good plan. So do you also want to um go to England with your parents? Do you want to live with your parents in England?
yes.
Okay, very good.
I
So,
will take my parents go to England
okay, I will take my parents to go to
and
England.
and live in there.
Okay, very good. That's so nice that you will take your parents or take your parents to England. So next, that's it. That is tourists. So can you please read the sentence that we have for the word tourist?
Every year, millions of tourists visit Vietnam.
Okay, very good. So there are a lot of people every year that visits Vietnam. Okay. So next, let's have another word. This one. Read the word and the sentence example.
Tourist destinations.
Okay.
Vietnam has many tourist destinations like Hanoi, Da Nang, and Sapa.
Okay, thank you. So when we say tourist destination, Kwa, what do we mean by tourist destination?
Tourist destinations is mean the place to visit.
Okay, very good. So tourist destination means the place that tourists visit. So if when we have the tourists is the people. On the other hand, tourist destination is the place where
Yeah,
tourists go. So for example, in Vietnam, there is Hanoi, there is Da Nang, and Sapa. Okay, so if you go to China or if you go to England, what tourist destination would you like to see in China and England?
I want to see the Big Ben clock in England and the
How about in China?
and see the building tall second word in China.
Second, not second.
Second, uh,
What is that? Second,
um,
what is that? Do you know the Great Wall of China? You know that the Great Wall of China.
uh,
Do you know the Great Wall of China?
and I want to see the second word luxury building in China.
Second World, Second World,
Yes,
Second World. What is
luxury.
what? How do you spell that?
Luxx.
Okay. So it's not luxury, it's luxury.
Yes,
Okay, one more time. Say the word luxury, not luxury. Luxury.
luxury,
One more time. Luxury.
luxury.
Okay, very good. So that's so nice. So I want to see the second word luxury in China. Okay. What kind of place is that? How about the Great Wall of China? Do you know
Mm,
the Great Wall of
yes,
China? Yes, it's very it's also a beautiful place and it's very popular in China. Especially do you know Jackie Chan? Do you know
what?
Jackie Chan?
Can
Jack
you write?
Jackie Chan.
Mm,
Are you
yes,
Yeah, so he is a famous artist or he is a famous actor in
yeah.
China and he is the one who what do you call that? The one who filmed his movie
He study material art.
martial art. Okay, what was it? This one martial art,
Yes,
right? Okay, one more time. Let's say martial, not material. Martial.
Marshall.
Okay. Yes, he studied martial art, especially in
He
his
is
movies.
he is a actor.
Yes, he is an actor. Very good. He is an actor, and he is a very, very great actor. He is the one of the actors that film in the Great Wall of China. Do you know his movie Karate Kid?
Yeah.
Yes, so one of the places that they filmed too, this one is the Great Wall of China.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the Great Wall of China behind them. Yeah, that's a very, very good place or very, very popular tourist destination in China. Next, let's move on to our next word.
Teacher,
Huh?
uh,
Yes?
I want to see my here. Oh,
Oh,
where
okay.
is my pen?
Where is your pen?
Yes.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
here. This is Halong Bay.
Oh, this one?
Yes.
Oh, the one you told teacher earlier? The beach?
Yes.
Oh,
It
that's
has many beach.
oh, it's very beautiful. How about this one? Is this also in Vietnam?
Yes, it's Sapa.
Asapa. Oh, how about do you know the place in Vietnam where there is a coffee shop?
It's
Let me show you the picture because
yes.
it's famous here in the Philippines. So it is a one building, but there are a lot of coffee shop in there. Let me just this one. Do you know this? Where is this place?
Where?
This
Mm,
like
yes.
where is this? The cafe
Yeah.
apartment. It's
It's in Ho Chi Minh City.
oh, I see. It's in Ho Chi Minh City. So this one's very famous in our country because most of the people here they want to experience the coffee shops here in this place. Yeah. So is it far? Is it far
Teacher,
from your yes.
can you stop with teacher?
Huh?
What kangaroo
Kangaroo?
here?
Where? Where?
No, you in the picture of Ho Chi Minh City.
Where?
Here.
Huh? Kangaroo? I don't know.
What kangaroo?
I also don't know. It's very blurry. I don't know because I haven't been to.
Kangaroo is a animal.
Yeah, I don't know. It's your country. Why don't
Here.
you know? Yeah, it's in your country. I don't know what is that.
What kangaroo?
I also don't know. I think it's the name of the apartment.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or a name of a shop.
Yeah. It can be a name of a shop. Yeah. Have you gone to this cafe or coffee shops?
No.
No. Is it also famous in your country? This coffee shops?
Yeah.
Oh, it's famous. Wow. So if I go to Vietnam, this will be my first destination. Coffee shops. Okay, so next, let's go to our next word. So this one. What
Check
is
in.
okay, one more time. I'll say check in.
Check in.
Okay, so can you please read our sentence example here below?
Please check in at least 1 hour before departure.
Okay, one more time. I say departure. Depart.
Departure
Okay, very good. So when we say check in, what is check in for you? What does check in means?
is the to uh uh
So when you go to the plane or when you ride a plane, have you already experienced riding a plane? Have you experienced riding an airplane or a plane?
This mean do procedures
Huh?
in a airport or a hotel.
Okay, very good. So in short, so check-in means to tell a place that you have arrived. For example, when you are riding an airplane in an airport, so you need to check in. You need to at least check in an hour before your departure for the assistant, or the airport assistant will be able to assist you on where can you ride the plane. On the other hand, check in when it comes to hotel. So check in is telling that we have arrived to the hotel, especially when you have an appointment or you will be staying to the hotel. Checking in is the time when you arrived in the hotel. So
Yeah.
you will inform the hotel desk. Okay. So have you ever checked in at the hotel with your parents
Yes.
when you traveled? What was it like? Or what was it like? How do you check in?
Mm, is uh take the room and give
Yes.
give money.
Yes, we checked the room and gave the money to the hotel desk, or the one who is assisting the customers in the hotel. So that is checking in. So next, we have here another word. So can you please read our word and sentence pattern?
Hotel.
Hotel, very good. So when we say hotel, what is hotel?
Hotel is a place to we take a rest or stay.
Okay, very good. So a hotel is a place where we stay when we are traveling. So, for example, you don't have a house in another country, you can stay at a hotel. You can book a hotel so that you will be able to have a house, a temporary house in a place or in a country that you don't have a house. So, next. So, since you've experienced checking in a hotel, Kwa, can you describe the hotel during your trip? Can you describe the hotel that you've checked in before?
It's very big and has many rooms.
Okay, it's very big and has many rooms. Yes, perfect. Because a hotel is mostly where people stays for the night or many nights. It can be 2 days and 1 night, 3 days and 2 nights. Oh, it depends on for how long you will be staying at the country. So next. Let's have our next word.
Trip.
Okay, very good. Trip. One more time. Let's say trip.
Trip.
Okay, so can you please read the sentence example that we have for trip?
I hope you have a safe and interesting trip.
Okay, very good. I hope you have a safe and interesting trip. So now, can you please explain or can you please share your understanding with the word trip based on the sentence example? What is trip?
Trip is mm, is similar uh,
Similar?
uh traveling.
Yes, very good. So a trip is similar to travel. However, the difference between trip and travel. So trip is a short journey or a short travel. So
Mm.
yes, so it is only short. When we say trip, it is a short journey or a short travel. So that is the difference. On the other hand, travel means that going to one place or another. Okay. So when we say trip, it is like going to a destination, staying there, and after that, returning home. So that is how we can describe a trip. Next, let's move on to our next word. This one. So can you please read?
Memorable experiences
Okay, very good. So memorable experiences. When we say memorable experiences, what are those? What do we mean by memorable?
is the trip we um, remember.
Okay.
Very remember.
Okay, very good. So it's the trip or it's the travel or it's the experiences that we will always it's the trip that we will always remember, or what we can say, these are special moments that we will not forget, especially especially when we travel. So we can make memorable experiences by traveling because we can go to a lot of places, we can meet new people, we can meet new friends, we can experience a lot of things, we can experience different cultures. So that will be your memorable experiences. So it is something that we will not forget, something that we will always remember. So now, Kwa, can you share to teacher what are, or can you at least share one memorable experience from your life?
Is when I go to um Kanto City.
When I go to,
Kanto City.
how do you spell that?
CANTHO.
This one?
No, CAN.
CAN. This one.
Yes.
Oh, what what is memorable for you there? Why do you
Is is the time when I go for work in the morning. Mm,
eh,
and
what
when
happened?
I go for work in the morning, and then um
What happened? What happened when you go for a walk in the morning?
and then
A dog
a dog
chased you?
rush forward,
Chased you. A dog chased.
and the dog beat me.
Really? A dog chased
Yes,
and bit me. Look.
but I wear a long pants, so I
Oh,
don't have
you don't have
and
a wound.
and I don't have blood. Uh, uh, and my blood not bleed.
Oh, okay. So you don't have a wound, and and the your legs did
Yeah.
not bleed. Your legs did not bleed.
Yes.
Okay, that's so nice because it is dangerous when you got bitten by a dog and there is a wound and there is bleeding. So you need to have a vaccination for rabies because rabies for dogs is very dangerous, especially if the dog is a stray dog. Okay, so that's so nice that you are wearing a long pants and the boots so
I
that you.
don't I don't know why the dog bit me.
Oh yes, I think most of the dogs that beats people, they are the dogs that are abused. That's why their behavior is like that. They beat people. They beat people that they don't know, or somehow most of the dogs think that you are a threat to them. That's why the dog beat you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it might be their one of their surviving skills to beat people. But it's so nice that that you that you
The
don't.
dog the dog is stupid.
The dog is stupid. No, not all dogs are stupid. So they just don't have the same brain as ours. So they just have this natural surviving or survival instinct. They have natural survival instincts so that they can survive on their own. So that's why if they think that you are a threat to them, so they will beat you or they will bite you. So okay, so that's it. So next, let's have another phrase here. So can you please read the phrase?
Mm. Visit a new place.
Hey, very good. So visit a new place. So when we say visit a new place, so for from the word itself, new place, to go and see a place you have never been before. So this is a new place for you. So for you, what new place would you like to visit in the future?
Mm.
What new place would you like to visit in the
Is
future?
I don't know.
I don't know. Uh,
Yeah.
Is there no places in Vietnam that you would like to visit?
Yes, I only want to visit England and China.
England and China. Okay, that's very good. So this is visit a new place. Okay. So let's have, before we go to our reading and discussion, so let's have a review. Okay. So please read the question first before answering.
Is mm,
Read the question first.
what does travel mean?
Okay, what does travel mean?
Is is mean to go from one place to another.
Okay, very good. It means to go from one place to another. Very good. So number two, read the question first before answering.
Tourist is mean a person who visits another place for fun.
Okay, very good. So tourist is a person who visit another place for fun. So next, let's have another question. So read the question first. This one.
What is a tourist destination? Is a place where tourists go.
Okay, very good. It's a place where tourists go. So next, let's go to the next question.
What does check-in means at hotel?
Okay, so what does it mean?
It mean to tell the hotel you have arrived.
Okay, very good. It is to tell the hotel or the airport that you have arrived. So next, number five.
Mm. What is a hotel? Is a place to Where a place where people stay when traveling.
Okay, very good. It is a place where people stay when traveling. So next, number 6.
What is a trip?
Okay, so what is a trip? Let me just.
A trip is uh, a short journey or travel.
Okay, very good. It is a short journey or travel. So next.
What a memorable experience
Okay. Ay, wait. Oh no. Mm, okay, what are memorable experience?
is mean moment you not forget.
Okay, very good. These are moments that we will never forget. And for the last number,
Is what does visit a new place mean?
okay, so what does visit a new place mean?
It mean to stay to go and see a place you have never been before.
Okay, very good. So it is to go to a place that we have never been before. So go to a new place. So next, so can you please read what is the title first of our story?
Peter talks about his hobby and traveling.
Okay, so now can you please read the story that Peter has?
Hmm, I read.
Yes.
I really love traveling because traveling not only helps me feel relaxed, but also helps me learn many new things. Traveling gives me chance to meet new people, make many new friends, and learn about cultures of many regions.
Mhm.
It really broadens my horizon. When coming to a new place, I would love to take pictures and post them on the Facebook
Mhm.
as a way to save unforgettable memories. I also love to eat local specialties and talk to locals to explore their lives and social. I'm very busy with my work, but I still try to spend time traveling every month. I often travel once or twice a month with my friends. Sometimes I travel alone. Honestly, I prefer to travel alone because I can freely do whatever I want. I would love to go to places which are very far from cities and residential area where I can enjoy fresh air and view beautiful landscapes. I also like to go to the beach because I love swimming. I like to travel to some countries in the world like Japan, Korea, and the US, and some countries in Europe. But it costs a lot of money. I'm trying to save a month of money am very much to travel to these nations in the future.
Okay, so thank you very much. Again, can you please read this one?
Yes,
Okay. So we have here S. So we should include the S sound. So not chance, chances.
yes,
Yes, not chance because you tend to forget when reading an ES word. So you tend to forget the S sound. So chances, not chance. So
yes.
next one. How about this?
Structures,
Okay, one more time. Let's say cultures. Cul-
cultures,
okay, very good. So we read letter C as K, cultures, not S. So
cultures,
cultures, very good. Next, can you read this one?
horizon,
Okay, let's say horizon.
horizon,
Very good. Next is,
explore,
okay, very good. Explore. Next is,
lips,
okay, one more time. Let's say lives.
lives,
Okay, because in here, so we have two different pronunciation with this word. So we have lives and lives. So when we say lives, the pronunciation lives. So like this. So
but it's
it
similar.
yes, it's similar, but it depends on how you pronounce these two words. They have two different pronunciations, and based on their pronunciation, it will tend to have different meanings. So if we read it as lives, it means that it is where a person lives, for example, or where a person, or it talks about the hometown of a person. It is where a person, it is the way where the person is living. So that is lives. When we say lives, lives what do you mean by this? Lives means it is about the person's life. So life. So since in this sentence we are talking we are talking about locals. Locals. So that means we are talking about not their place. We are talking about their life. So, meaning Peter here wants to explore the life. He wants to know about the culture of the locals in the place that he wants to travel. So
Yes,
so that means we are talking about here life or lives, not lives. So if the sentence is about where the person or where are the locals living, so we will read this one as lives. Okay, so this one is lives. So remember there are words that have a same spelling but they have different sound. They have different meaning depends on how we can read them. Okay?
yeah.
Yes, okay. So that's it. So now let's try to answer some words or some questions about the story of Peter. So can you please read the first word?
Does Peter love traveling? Why?
Okay, why? Does Peter love traveling? Is it a yes or no?
Yes,
Why? Why does he love traveling?
because traveling not only helps he feel relaxed, but also help he learns many new things.
Okay, very good. So Peter loves traveling because it not only helps him relieves his stress, it also helps him learn new things. So how about you? How about you, Hua? What do you do to feel relaxed?
Mm. Is listen to music or play game.
Okay, very good. So I listen to music and play games. Next, number. Number two. What
What does Peter do when he visit a place?
okay, what does he do when he visits a place?
Peter, mm, Peter take pictures and post them on Facebook, and he love to eat local specialties
Okay.
and talk to locals to explore their lives and culture.
Okay, very good. So those are the things that Peter do when he visits a place. He takes pictures, eat local specialties, and talk to locals. Now, how about you? How about you, Kwa? Do you like taking pictures when you are going to or when you are visiting a new place?
No, I hate taking photos
Why? Why do you hate taking photo?
because I'm so lazy. I
Yes,
don't I don't like to take photos.
same. I'm also lazy.
I want to explore
Yes,
the
that's
place.
right. I also want to explore. Be, as what do you call that? I want to explore and not to waste my time taking pictures. So it is much more memorable if you explore a place and not take a pictures. So yeah, it's I'm also lazy to take pictures. So
Do
next,
you similar me?
yeah, somehow similar. I also don't take pictures. So it's my friend who likes to take pictures, but not me.
My mom is very like to take picture in
Ah,
the place,
oh,
so I must to take a
uh,
picture.
your mom is the one who takes pictures.
Yes.
How about your dad? Does
No,
your
my dad is similar me.
your dad is similar to you? Okay. So next, let's move on to our third question.
How often does Peter travel?
Okay, how often does Peter travel?
Peter very busy with work, but he still to try spend time traveling every month,
Mm-hmm.
and he often travel once or twice a month with friends.
Okay, very good. How about you, Kwa?
And he sometimes travel alone.
Okay, very good. How about you, Kwa? How often do you travel?
I travel in the summer.
I travel in summer. So, okay, or every summer. So we can say I travel every summer. So next, number four. So
In
this,
this weekend, I will travel to Sun Beach
oh
in
wow.
my city near my house.
Oh,
Yes.
who will?
It's about more than 60 kilometers.
Oh, that's so far. How?
No, but it's near. I think it's near.
Oh, it's near, but it's 60 meters or kilometers?
More than,
Oh, more than 60 kilometers?
yes.
Mm.
But in another place, another city
Oh,
is about more than 100 kilometers.
oh, you will also go to another city?
Yes.
Oh, who do you go with? Do you go with your
It's
parents?
with my family.
Oh, how will you travel? Do
I
you
travel by car, my
by
father car.
Oh, your father's car. Okay, so I think that is very, very fast if you have your own car. It's very fast. So nice. Thank you for sharing about your travel, and I hope you enjoy that travel. Okay, so now let's move on to our next question. So can you please read the next question?
Does Peter prefer to travel alone in a group or in a group one?
Okay. Does Peter prefer to travel alone or in a group?
Yes, because he can freely do whatever he wants.
Very good. So he prefer to travel alone. How about you, Kwam? Do you prefer to travel alone or do you prefer to travel with your parents or friends and why?
I want to travel with my friends.
Friends? How about your
Friends.
parents? How about your
Yes.
parents?
Um. Example is the summer camp.
Uh-huh. Oh, your summer camp is with your friends?
Yes.
Okay, that's so nice. And what do you often do with your friends in summer camp? Summer camp.
I often the in summer camp has many activity to do.
Okay, that's so nice. Is it at your school? The summer
No,
camp is from your
no,
school?
no. My center.
Ah,
My
your learning center?
yes. In a English center.
Oh, that's
You
so
can search it in the internet.
what's
Yeah.
the name? Oh, okay, let me check. ESSET. ESSET English Center. Oh,
It's
okay.
red.
I see. Oh,
The
wow.
color of my center is red.
Red. Yes, I can see it. It's in color red. Oh, that's so nice. So you are with your friends? You are with your friends in this center?
Yes.
Mm. Oh, this is where you study English, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. That's so nice. So you have two.
But I prefer study at home
Oh, you prefer studying at home. Why? Why do you prefer studying at home?
because study at home make me feel asleep.
Oh, you're more comfortable studying at home?
Yes.
Okay, that's so nice. That's so correct.
It
But
when I am in grade two is has virus
oh, yes,
virus
the COVID.
16, yes, and and I study online, and I turn off the camera and I sleep.
We are the same. I also in my first year in college, so it is the pandemic, COVID pandemic or the virus. That is why our class is an online class. So I also do sleep in our class because it's when that is why I prefer studying at school because when studying online, I just sleep. I don't listen to teacher. I sleep when it is online.
In in when have COVID 60 19, you still study?
Yes, yes. I also study in that time. I'm like in grade 12 at that time. 2019, is that correct?
Yes.
2019. Yes, I'm just grade 12 at that
How
time.
how old are you now?
I'm only 23. I'm
Oh
23 right now. Yes. So yeah, I am studying at that time when COVID happens.
yes,
And
I
it's
I love COVID.
oh, you love COVID?
Yes, because I
No.
can still at home and sleep.
No, it's very dangerous. COVID is very dangerous because a lot of people died with that virus.
Yes.
Yes, it's somehow convenient because we are able to study at home, but still, the people who are affected by the virus are very. Yeah, they died. So it's somehow good and it's mostly bad.
Yeah.
Okay. So next, let's have the last question.
Which kind of place does Peter like to travel?
Okay, which kinds of places does Peter likes to travel?
Is Peter like to travel some countries in the world like Japan, Korea, and the US, and some country in Europe, but it costs no.
Yes. Yes. Okay, so very good. So, Peter likes to travel what places or what countries? There are Japan, Korea, US, and Europe. So those are the countries or places that Peter likes to travel to. Okay.
Yeah.
So next, let's answer this question. So since Peter likes places far from cities with fresh air and beautiful landscape, how about you? What kinds of places do you like to visit? Do you like to visit beach, mountains, or the city, and why?
Mm. Mhm. No.
Hmm? What kind? What kind of places? Would you like to visit beach, mountains, or city in the countries that you like
Mm.
to travel in China or in England?
Yes.
What kind of places? Is it a beach? Is it a
If
mountain?
the building,
Oh, it's
tall building.
buildings. It's building, tall buildings. Okay, so nice. How about this one? So we have here in the story, so Peter saves money every month to travel. So if you would have a chance to save money, what would you save money if you had the chance? S- So for Peter, Peter saves money to travel. How about you? If you will have a chance, what would you save money for?
I save money for
Or would you like to buy something? Or would you like to also travel? Or what are the things that you want to spend your money?
mm, I will give it to my pig.
To your,
Pig
what is that? I will save money for?
is the plastic pig
Huh?
to
This one?
save money. Plastic
Plastic?
pig.
Pick? What is that?
Oh,
Plastic.
it's pig animal.
Huh? How do you spell that?
Pig.
Ah, okay. It's a piggy bank. Pig.
Yes.
Okay, one more time. Let's say pig, not
When
pick.
in a weekend, I must get to pick more than $10,000.
Oh, that's so nice that you save money. And after that, if you save money, if you able to save money, what will you use it for? You said that you are saving money right now. What
Yes.
what are the reason why you are saving money? Where you will be using it for? Will you buy something
For
for
my
yourself?
future.
Oh, for your future. That's so nice because it is one step for you to be able to travel because traveling takes a lot of money, takes lots of money. And
Yes,
also,
and
it's very,
servo in a country is take a lot of money too.
Yes, that's true. It's very expensive, especially the airplane. Do you have your passport? Do you already have a passport?
No,
You still don't have a passport.
when I 18 years
Oh,
old.
okay. So you will get a passport?
Yes.
Yes, that's so nice because passport is one of the requirements that we need, especially when we are traveling in a different country. Okay, so that's so
Yes.
nice. So very good for this lesson. So you have answered all of the questions and shared your ideas with our vocabulary. So very good job always, Kwa. So keep up the good work. And for that one, so we had finished the lesson. So make sure to just review the vocabularies, phrases, and reading part, okay?
Yeah.
So, so that you will be able to remember and apply these things in everyday life. So thank you very much, Kwa. So you can now sleep. So good night. And thank you. See you again next Tuesday. So thank you.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Can you turn off the meeting?
Yes, goodbye.